Introduction to comets and asteroids. Comets and asteroids are both celestial bodies that orbit the Sun, but they have distinct characteristics and origins. Understanding the differences between them sheds light on their roles in the solar system and their impact on Earth. What is a comet? A comet is a small celestial body composed mainly of ice, dust, and rocky material. Comets are often referred to as dirty snowballs due to their composition. They originate from the outer regions of the solar system, specifically from the Kuiper belt and the Oort cloud. When a comet approaches the Sun, the heat causes the ices within it to vaporize, creating a glowing coma and sometimes a tail that extends away from the Sun. What is an asteroid? An asteroid is a rocky, airless remnant from the early formation of the solar system. Composed primarily of metal and rock, asteroids vary in size from a few meters to hundreds of kilometers in diameter. They are mostly found in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, though some can be found in other regions of the solar system. Unlike comets, asteroids do not develop comas or tails because they lack significant amounts of volatile substances. Composition and structure. The key difference between comets and asteroids lies in their composition. Comets are made up of a mixture of ice and dust, with a nucleus that can be quite irregular in shape. When a comet gets close to the Sun, the heat causes the ices to sublimate, creating a coma, a glowing cloud of gas and dust, and often a tail that can stretch millions of kilometers. Asteroids, however, are primarily composed of metal and rock and do not exhibit a coma or tail. Their surfaces can be smooth or cratered, depending on their history. Orbital characteristics. Comets have highly elliptical orbits that bring them close to the Sun and then take them back to the outer reaches of the solar system. This elliptical orbit can take them several years or even thousands of years to complete. Asteroids, on the other hand, generally have more circular orbits, primarily located in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Their orbits are more stable and less influenced by the gravitational pull of the Sun. Behavior when approaching the Sun. The behavior of comets when they approach the Sun is dramatic and visually striking. The heat causes the ice within the comet to vaporize, forming a coma and sometimes a tail that always points away from the Sun due to the solar wind. Asteroids do not exhibit such behavior. They remain solid and do not develop a coma or tail when they come near the Sun. Historical and scientific significance. Comets and asteroids offer valuable insights into the early solar system. Comets are considered to be primitive building blocks from the outer solar system and contain clues about the conditions in the early solar system. Asteroids, being remnants from the inner solar system, provide information about the materials that were present during the formation of the planets. Studying both helps scientists understand the history and evolution of the solar system. Potential impacts on Earth. Both comets and asteroids can potentially impact Earth. Asteroids, particularly those in near-Earth orbits, pose a risk due to their rocky nature and potential for collision. Comets, though less frequent, can also pose a risk if they were to collide with Earth. However, their icy composition means that they might break up or disintegrate upon entering Earth's atmosphere. Observational and research techniques. Observing comets and asteroids involves different techniques. Comets are often studied using telescopes that can capture their bright comas and tails. Asteroids are observed for their reflectivity and size, and spacecraft missions have been sent to study and even land on some asteroids for closer examination. Conclusion. Distinct yet connected. Comets and asteroids are both fascinating objects within our solar system, with distinct differences in composition, behavior, and origin. Comets, with their icy components and dramatic tails, contrast with the rocky, stable nature of asteroids. Both types of celestial bodies provide crucial information about the solar system's history and the early conditions that shaped our cosmic neighborhood.